video, you're going to learn how to use the multipass weld function. Here on our pendant, we're going to go into the BotX home screen under Add New and scroll until we see that multipass weld node. Here we'll go into Pass 1, and this is where we're going to create a weld just like we would under any other weld segment. I'm going to create the approach about 4 to 6 inches from the weld piece. And then I'm going to create my weld start. And where I want the weld to end. And then my exit. Now that I have my root pass created, I'm going to go into Multipass and over here into Passes. I can see here Pass 1 has been created. At the bottom right of this screen, I'm going to go into New Pass. From here, I can see that my reference pass will be Pass 1, and I'm going to teach the start point of where I want the next pass to start. So I'm going to take the robot and move it to that point. And in the pendant, I am going to hit the green check mark, and that will tell me how far that pass has moved out. It is recommended that you take the time to weld Pass 1 and then set Pass 2, and to complete this process for as many passes as you need to complete your multi-pass weld. From here, I am going to hit Make New Pass, and now I can see that I have both of the passes within here. On this screen, I have my SO and my EO, which means SO is our starting origin, and EO is our ending origin. On this screen, I can edit each one of those if I want to stagger and those starts and stops on my multipass welds. Over here in our center tree, if all of these boxes have turned white, that's how we know that all of our multipass welds have been saved. And that's how you create a multipass weld with your BotX XSR.